Hey guys, Kevin here, and today I want to talk about Midjourney videos. So Midjourney recently has introduced videos, and it is amazing. This might just be better than any other thing that I've tried. Google VO3, anything else. This is like way better, and it's very photorealistic. Some of these are like too photorealistic, I can say. This looks very nice, so it can even create videos with a video start frame, which is great. And let's just try it out and see if something good comes from this. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, they have if you have a start frame, we can just create anything with it, I think. But everything here is very realistic, and it's very good and better than anything else that I've tried. And yeah, let's just get started. I'll go to create. We'll use one of these as a start frame and see how it goes. Let's start with maybe this one, and let's nope, not this one. This one. Let's so animate image, auto, low motion create image, low amount of motion, high amount of motion, manual. Okay, let's do low motion, and that's submitted. Okay, it's creating 4. Okay, let's see how it goes. Midjourney images are very fast compared to like anything in ChatGPT, because ChatGPT takes like a minute or more, but Midjourney images take like 10 to 20 seconds only max. So let's see how this goes. Maybe I'll animate something else. Okay, it's 15% completed. That's amazing. So this is fast also, which is great to know. But yeah, some of these videos are great, and I will be probably using this in my website that I create. I can add full width background loop animation like this, which will look great in some websites. So I'm excited about that. I'm not a video editor per se, but these things can be used for B-roll also. And I think these are like 4 or 5 seconds. If it extends to like 10-20 seconds, it can be used for B-roll, and maybe in the future A-roll also. Let's see. I think this is done perfect. Okay, these look good. Everything looks good. Okay, let's select another image with high motion. Okay, I'll select this one maybe, and let's add high motion to it. Let's see what happens. But everything here, these 4 looks great, especially this one. The background's moving, so as it's low motion, it's just adding some minimal elements of motion to it. Maybe a high motion, it'll add more than that. But these looks great so far, and I'll be using this a lot more soon. We'll see. And the physics is also good. The movement, lighting, physics, everything looks great. And yeah, Midjourney nailed it with this. I was wondering where is there hasn't been a lot of updates in Midjourney, but yeah, these looks great, and I can't wait to use them in my videos that I do. Oh my god, this looks amazing. So I have created like lots of videos, images. Maybe I can go in and add motion to everything. Yeah, they have good concept of motion, physics, and everything else. So yeah, this looks great. I will be using this a lot. Let me know if you have any video ideas that I can create, and I'll see I'll see if any of them looks good. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.